How to install the Rabbit Hinge bottom mount toilet seat with soft close feature. Accessories: Rabbit Hinge bottom mount toilet seat with soft close features. 2 pieces of screws, 2 pieces of washers, 2 pieces of nuts. Insert the screw onto the hinge inlet. The soft close type of toilet seat must have clearance of minimum 6.5 cm between the toilet seat screw cavity and cistern front wall. This is to enable the seat and cover to be upright position. The screws can be adjusted accordingly to align with the length of the WC seat cover. Insert the washer into the screw, followed by the nut, and tighten. Note: for soft close models, lift up and down the seat cover several times to activate the soft close mechanism.